Hello, namaskar guys. Today we are going to unbox a new brand washing machine from Whirlpool. 10.5 kg, model 30175, semi-automatic. Today I'm going to unbox it. A few days back I got it, I received, and due to some busyness I could not open it or unbox it, but right now I'm going to unbox it. Let's see. Oh. This cover. Wow. Nice. Let me put it away. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 programs. Sorry, not. Sorry, I don't know how many programs are there. That is just focus inside washing machine. These, okay, that is the pipe of inlet. That is, and let me put it away. Okay, that is washing area, and that is spin area. Okay, let me open it. Wow, nice packing, ultimate. That is accessory once again. That is manual. Very ultimate, nice finishing. Yeah, Whirlpool has always been a very good product producer, product manufacturer. And let me show the fixing. Yeah, that is plug. There's a lead power cord, sorry, and let me turn around. Okay, that is once again, that is with the 5-year warranty on accessories, but as per the Flipkart, it is with 10 years on the motors warranty with terms and conditions. And the most more interesting thing is that that is a 5-star, which is very power saving, efficient. And let me show. That is the inlet, and let me down it, and okay, just to let me take from the one more thing is that there is a very rounded wheel, that is with 2 wheels. Okay, that is very convenient to shift from one to another place. 2 wheel, and wheel are very good. And on the other side, the rest of the tool, which is these are no wheel. Okay, and that is good. If four wheels are available there, it's very hard to stop while using it. Okay, take out from the if we talk about the bottom of it, just 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 focus on that, on the bottom, which is very secure from the rat and this kind of things. It is very secure. Fiber quality is very nice. I like it. So that is only the unboxing, and very soon we'll be back with a review of using it. After using it, I'll be back once again. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.